This is Arion frá Eystra Fróðholti. He received a total score of 8.86. For confirmation, he has 8.39, 8.5 neck, 8.5 back and croup, and 9 for proportions. And then he has 9.17 for riding ability, 9.5 thrust, 9.5 pace, and 9.5 for spirit and form under rider. So give this horse a warm applause. This is a great quality horse.
Já, þetta frábær einstaklingur hér á ferð og greinilega af sterkum ættboga.